In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message with the spotlight effect on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messages app. After that, enter a conversation which you would like to send your message to, and then tap right here at that text field. Now guys, we need to add our message here. We can enter some text here. I'm just gonna enter text example here. However, we can also tap at this plus button and let's say add their sticker or emoji or whatever, so we can attach a spotlight effect to any kind of messages. And now guys, we need just to tap right here at this send button. I mean, not just tap, because if you tap here once it will immediately send this text. However, if you long press here, it will show you that extra options, and here at the very top, first off we need to switch it to screen, and that's where we can easily find different text effects. And now we need to swipe to the left once until we find this spotlight effect. Now we can see what it would look like to the person we send this message to. And then to send it, just tap right here. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.